Hey guys, my name is Shan. So you guys are wondering how to get 5 Robux. So absolutely all you guys want is Robux, because you guys have 0 but I have 75. So here what you have to learn. Trade. Go to trade. Go to promotion. Then go. Just don't. So okay. Just here, over here, you go here, and Life in Paradise, choose what game you want. Just choose game you want, then copy and paste this, then then there you go, then boom. And this one will pop up here. I make a new one because it did not, the one that is, so here you are, copy and paste this in here, then right here, then now it's complete. So hope it